Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I will be installing this full 13 by 6 lace frontal 30-inch wig from Ashimary hair. This company actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, which is so insane because this is the first company I've ever reviewed a video for on my channel. This is the first company. This was actually probably my first video. We're going to go ahead and hop into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. So I am super excited because this wig is actually a real 13 by 6. I haven't seen one of these in so long, you guys. If you know, you know. It is so hard to find a full 13 by 6 where you get all of the parting space. Like, I am shook. But I did bleach the knots in this wig already, but it also already came kind of pre-styled. So it does have these cute little curls. Let me put it in front of my outfit so you all can see. So yeah, it does have these super cute curls. We'll see how it looks. I'm really excited to see how it looks and how the curls come out when I kind of like separate them a little bit, because before I like bleached the knots, it was like a super tight ring curl. But let me show you all what kind of treats also came in here real quick before we actually get into the install. This is gonna be quick, you guys. But I got all kinds of stuff in here. So I forgot, it's almost October, almost Halloween time. Got this little bat necklace, which was super cute and fun. Of course, an HD wig cap. Love it, love it, love it. Lashes, an edge brush. Oh, this band. So you can use this to melt your lace when I actually do install it. I'll show you guys. And the one thing that I was like, oh my goodness. So this is actually a hairpin. I did not know this was a hairpin. So when I was taking the items out of this bag, I was like, oh, what is this? But yeah, that's really cutesy. But we are going to go ahead and install this wig. I'm super excited. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna hit this lace with a little lace tint. This is in the color medium brown, just to get it a little closer to my skin tone, because you guys know I am a brown skin girl. So then I'm just gonna blow dry it. Oh, and it also has a little tag on the back of the wig, which I think is very cutesy, with the directions on how to care for the wig. So I'm just gonna work with my little kindergarten scissors because I can't find like my real styling scissors. So I'm just gonna cut 2 slits. I'm going to cut 2 slits at the temples, each of the temples, and kind of work in 3s. So bam. Like, I'm already loving how good the parting looks. Like, it looks so good, it looks so cutesy. I love it, love it, love it. But I'm going to go ahead and razor off this lace and just go ahead and do that part now, you guys. Sometimes I really go back and forth of my method. It just depends on the day. But I'm going to go ahead and take this off. But it looks so cute already. I really want to play in the curls, but I know I'm not going to play in them just yet. But I'm going to razor this part off. So I'm going to use an eyebrow razor, you guys. So when using my spray, so I'm going to install this using spray, I actually like to cut off the lace first. But if I was actually using real lace glue, then I would normally cut the lace off afterwards. And it's crazy because normally I would have to really like cut around the ears and stuff, but the ears are already free. I always say when I install my wigs, oh, I have to free the ears, but really they're already free, which is super cool. I'm going to go ahead and spray the lace spray. So we're doing 3 layers. If you all have seen me install a wig, you already know how I do this, you guys, but let's spray. So as I'm doing this, I kind of just spread it out with my fingers. And then I'm gonna blow dry. Okay guys, so that is 1 layer. We are going to do a 2nd layer. Okay guys, so now we're doing the 3rd layer. Ooh. So on the 3rd layer, I actually put the lace down and then blow dry it. So I kind of do it in the opposite order. that, and I touch up any spots that I know are coming up a little bit. So a new thing I've been doing when I have little parts that are just a little too light, or I see like kind of just looking weird, I use this spritz. This is olive oil spritz. It does have some hold to it, but this will kind of like fix those places. Like if you have some places in your lace that is like a little light or something and it just looks a little off, you use that and it's gonna eat, you guys. It's gonna fix it. It's gonna remove like any crustiness, because sometimes this stuff can be a little crusty. So using this with the olive oil in it is gonna help you guys. So let me go ahead and put on this little band. I feel like since this is like a full 13 by 6, I should really play with it a little more and not just do like a middle part. So while that is melting, let me apply a little heat to it. So while this is melting, we'll kind of play with the styling a little bit. Like you see, like I could have a really deep middle part, side part. I haven't had one of those in a minute, you guys. Could do something like that. You could do cute little updos with all the parts in them, like all the way over there. Like look at that. So excited. And lately I've been loving like the pigtail style, so maybe I'll do that. It's just like so many possibilities with like a full 13 by 6. Like I am just shook, you guys. We'll do a side part because I haven't done that in so long, you guys. So we'll just do a cute little side part. So yeah, I just kind of want the U shape of the part going on. That's about where I like my side parts to be. So I'm going to use a little bit of this slick stick to kind of mold it where I want it to be. Let's go ahead and mold all this hair backwards. So I'm just gonna use my hot comb where I put the slick stick. And let's take this thing off because I just want to see how it looks. I'm too excited. I tied it a little tight. But yes, it is looking so cute, you guys. I need to clean up around here. So I'm just going to spray a little bit. Just to clean up a little bit, little cleanup spots, because that spray can be a little crusty, but it's looking super duper cute. So this wig doesn't technically need baby hair at all. Like look at that. It is eating, you guys. It is eating. It doesn't need baby hair, but I like baby hair with a side part because I feel like it just makes it look more realistic to me. It looks like, it just eats more. Especially like when you have a super cute sideburn. Like I love that. You girls with sideburns are so lucky. I tell y'all all the time, I love your sideburns. I love sideburns. And I have a little piece above my ear I need to cut off. And honestly, up here, I probably will use a little more baby hairs, because I love them. Just a little some right here. Just a little some, add a little more flavor, but you really don't need it at all. I promise you. Like, look at that. It eats no baby hairs. But I love them. I love them. I love them. I'm over here looking. I'll wait to add baby hairs. I'll wait. So I'm super excited to actually comb out these curls and separate them and see what it's giving. That's what I'm really excited for. Let's see. Like, look at that. It looks so pretty. It's cute. It's cute, 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 cute. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna add a little baby hair just because. Just because that's who I am. I cannot help it, you guys. I simply cannot help it. So let me know if you all like it more with baby hair or without. But I just love a little baby hair. I'm sorry. Just a little something, something. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just love, love, love having a full 13 by 6. It is giving. And I just decided to go with the natural curl of the hair for this video. I will probably pop some extra curls, but I'm enjoying this little like natural wave. It looks like I did some, but nothing too much. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.